Hi friends, in our Sulbha Sutras, it is so beautifully explained how to convert a square into a rectangle which is having the equal area. Okay, so let us do this activity. This activity is so beautifully explained in Sulbha Sutra. Later, I'll give you the Sulbha Sutra Sanskrit words. See, I've taken a square, okay, and I've just marked a diagonal. You can see here, it is the easily I marked the diagonal. Then again, I've cut it into half this side. Okay, the perpendicular, that's all, which forms two triangles. Now, what I do is I just take these two triangles out. Okay, see, I just transform this into a rectangle. That's all, friends. See, I just take this and I transform this into a rectangle, and this rectangle will be having the equal area that of a square. That's all. Okay, very easy transformation from a square to a rectangle, right friends? So the same thing is so beautifully explained in our Shilva Sutras like this, which says the conversion of transforming a square into a rectangle of equal area, and it gives a beautiful activity which says Samachaturastram Dirgha Chaturastram Chikirsham हस्तदक्षिणापच्छेद्य भागं द्वेधा विभज्य पार्श्वयोरुपद्वयात् यथोपयोग्यम. That's all. Okay, so that says that you take the square and make the diagonal, cut it into half, and then transform it into a rectangle. That's all. Very beautiful and a simple activity to convert the square into a rectangle which is having the equal area. Right, friends? And these Shilva Sutras are thousands and thousands of years before. Friends, if you have not yet subscribed to this channel, please subscribe now because I'm planning to upload many more videos of this kind. And please share it with others so that it will be very helpful for them. And if you want to say anything, don't forget to put it in the comment section. Thank you so much for watching. Thank you.